Hi, I'm Franny, and for the Infancy Gospel of Thomas rewrite, I chose chapter 2, sections 1 through 7, which is the full chapter, and I'm going to just start off reading the original text of verses 1 through 4. So, when this boy, Jesus, was 5 years old, he was playing at the ford of a rushing stream. He was collecting the flowing water into ponds and made the water instantly pure. He did this with a single command. He then made soft clay and shaped it into 12 sparrows. He did this on the Sabbath day, and many other boys were playing with him. But when a Jew saw what Jesus was doing while playing on the Sabbath day, he immediately went off and told Joseph, Jesus' father, "See here, your boy is at the ford and has taken mud and fashioned 12 birds with it, and so has violated the Sabbath." Okay, now, verse by verse, I'm gonna read what I rewrote and why I rewrote it that way. For verse 1, I wrote, "When Jesus was a 5-year-old boy, he was playing at a shallow part of a rushing stream." So this was already a neutral statement, so I just changed a few words around. Verse 2, he was collecting the flowing water into ponds, and with just a single command, instantly purified and clarified the water. So this verse was already pretty neutral, and I felt the point of it was to emphasize Jesus' exceptional powers and ability to perform miracles even as a child. And to make this clear, I added a few words just for emphasis. Verse 3, I wrote, "Then he used some soft clay to shape and create 12 sparrows. He did this on Sabbath day, which violated the Jewish law that prohibits any creative work on Sabbath day. Many other boys were playing with him too by the stream." So this verse shows Jesus violating the traditions of Sabbath day, and I just included an explanation of specifically what Jesus was violating to give some more context. And I also wanted to keep the part where it says other boys were playing with him, because I felt like it was an intentional addition to show that these boys were associating with Jesus, who just violated the Sabbath day. Finally, for verse 4, I wrote, "When a Jew saw Jesus playing with the clay on Sabbath day, he went to Joseph to report what he saw. He said, 'I saw your son is at the stream and has created birds made of clay, even though it's Sabbath day today.'" This verse shows a Jewish person spotting Jesus and how he went straight to Joseph to tell him about it. And to me, it came off as the Jewish character snitching on Jesus out to his father and then hastily accusing Jesus of violating a Jewish law. And so I wanted to change this to make it more neutral, so that the Jewish person is simply reporting what they saw and reminding Joseph that it's Sabbath day.